Hi everyone, and today I'm going to give you a quick review of the Activ Life LED wheel bike lights. So I got given this as a gift in December 2020. I wanted to make this review to basically share my experience and share with you how I really do feel that this product is an absolute game changer for anyone who has a bike. So the first advantage of this bike light is that it's bright. It might not look as bright on camera, but in the dark it looks really bright. And when I've ridden with other people in the dark, they've said how bright it is and how good it looks. And I think this is a real game changer because it increases your visibility in the road. It will make it safer for you, safer for cars. So whether you're cycling in the day or at night, this will improve your visibility. Of course, it will be more effective in the dark. I think just the fact that this product can improve safety is amazing. In 2020, 140 people were killed on British roads on bikes, and I think this number really should be 0. It's horrible that cyclists are killed, and any reason to improve safety and visibility is always going to be very appealing to me. It's also really easy to install. It took me around 5 minutes. I would recommend wearing gloves, and it's also got 2 modes. It's got static and flashing. So if I want to change the mode, all I have to do is go up and press it. So while it is a great product, it's not perfect. I found after 6 months that they stopped working just really randomly. I contacted Activ Life and they sent me some more lights straight away, so I found their customer service was really good from this bad experience. So these lights cost around £10 to £12 on Amazon, depending on what time of the year you buy these. I think that these are really excellent value lights, and I will likely buy another one for my back wheel. So I'm going to give these lights 5 out of 5 because I cannot recommend them enough to anyone. I really think that every single cyclist should have these. So there was my full review of these lights. If you did find it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching.